Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to create an engagement campaign focused on video views in Meta ads, step by step. A video views campaign is designed to show your video to people who are most likely to watch and engage with video content. Instead of focusing on sales or leads, this objective helps you build awareness, warm up audiences, and increase engagement at a lower cost. The people who watch your videos can later be retargeted with lead, traffic, or sales campaigns, making this objective a powerful top-of-funnel strategy. First, log in to Meta Ads Manager. Click the green Create button. From the objective list, select Engagement. You'll now see two options: Tailored Message Campaign, Manual Engagement Campaign. Since we are not creating a message campaign, select Manual Engagement Campaign, then click Continue. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name. Set your budget at the campaign level. This allows Meta to distribute your budget more efficiently across ad sets. Click Next to move to the ad set level. Under Conversion Location, select On Your Ad. For engagement type, choose Video Views. Under Performance Goal, keep Maximize ThruPlay Views selected. ThruPlay means Meta will optimize your ads to people who are likely to watch at least 15 seconds of your video, or watch the entire video if it's shorter than 15 seconds. This helps ensure better quality video views, not just quick scrolls. Set an end date for your campaign if you don't want it to run continuously. Under Audience Controls, select your location. Uncheck the box Reach More People Likely to Respond to Your Ads. I recommend switching to the original audience option because I want my video to be shown only to the targeted audience. Sometimes Meta forces video ads as 15-second interruptions inside other video content, even when users have no interest in your topic. For awareness and educational campaigns, Advantage Plus audience does not always work best, so manual control gives better relevance. Now choose Further Limit the Reach of your ads, then click Continue. Set age and gender. Under Detailed Targeting, add interests, demographics, and behaviors relevant to your audience. This helps Meta show your video to people who are more likely to care about your content. Keep Advantage Plus placements turned on. This allows Meta to automatically place your video across Facebook and Instagram feeds, Reels, Stories, and other placements where video performs best. Click Next to move to the ad level. Rename your ad for easy identification. Under Identity, select your Facebook page. Choose Create a New Ad. You can also use an existing post, but for this tutorial, I'm creating a new ad. Select Website as the destination. Enter your website URL. You can turn off the Call to Action button later if needed. Upload your video from your desktop. Add your primary text and headline. If you don't want to send traffic to your website, you can uncheck the destination. This way, your campaign stays focused purely on video views and awareness. Scroll down to Tracking. Check the box for Website Events. If your pixel is set up correctly, you'll see it here. Keep in mind, pixel tracking is not mandatory for a video views campaign, especially if you're not using a website destination. Review all settings carefully. If everything looks good, click Publish. That's how you create an engagement campaign optimized for video views in Meta Ads. Subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more step-by-step Meta Ads and digital marketing tutorials. See you in the next video.